So hi guys, this is Christine again from Mitsubishi Abad Santos Manila branch. And for today's video, pag-uusapan natin kung ano-ano ba yung mga pwede nyong ma-avail kapag kumuha kayo sa amin ni Joey Boy Palaboy ng 2025 Mitsubishi Expander Cross. Pero bago ang lahat guys, samahan nyo ako at ikutan din muna natin itong ating unit para just in case sa mga gustong mag-avail, magkaroon kayo ng idea kung ano bang meron sa unit na to, kung bakit ba worth it siya para sa halagang 1.2 after discount, and kung bakit napakaraming Pilipino ang sumusubok na magkaroon nitong ating 2025 Expander Cross. This is the 2025 Mitsubishi Expander Cross. For the color reference, guys, this is a quartz white pearl two-tone with black roof. So yes, we have two categories for the Expander Cross. We have the monotone and the two-tone. Ito yung design ng ating front grille. So, ito yung kanyang closer look. So, ayun, kaka-video lang natin ng Expander Cross, but unfortunately, madilim kasi doon sa aming stockyard. So, ayan, retake tayo. Then, ito naman ang kanyang front under bumper. Ayan yung kanyang design. Sa lighting system niya, guys, we have here LED na daytime running light. And meron din tayong LED na T-shape headlight, including our fog light is naka-LED na rin. Going here sa side, yung ating Expander Cross is naka 17-inch na two-tone alloy wheels. So, naka disc brake sa harap, drum brake sa likod. It is also equipped with a 125mm na ground clearance, and as you can see, meron tayong mga body claddings which is only available for the Expander Cross variant. Yung Expander Cross natin guys, equipped siya ng ABS with EBD, then meron na rin siyang active yaw control and hill start assist. Pagdating sa side mirror guys, naka-chrome siya, and even yung door handles natin is naka-chrome na rin. Or as you can see, meron tayong mga body trims na color black. Since two-tone nga siya, even our roof rail is color black rin siya. Equipped na rin siya ng power windows with central door lock. Na rin sa driver side guys, yung control natin para sa side mirror and yung ating Mitsubishi Active Stability Traction Control. Pagdating naman sa seat material, naka navy blue na leather seat tayo with heat guard. So, ayan, napakaganda ng ating leather seat. Pagdating sa ating steering wheel, naka 4-spoke na leather wrap tayo. Left side, yung control natin para sa ating multi-information display and multimedia system. While on the other side, we have here the cruise control, voice command function, and hands-free button. Guys, naka-tilt and telescopic adjustment na rin itong ating steering wheel. So, if ever, pwede nyo siyang i-adjust. Depende sa preference nyo. Naka-push start engine na rin tayo guys dito sa ating Expander Cross. When it comes to infotainment system guys, equipped siya ng Apple CarPlay with Android Auto. Conditioning system guys, naka-piano type tayo with Max Cool. So, single zone lang yung ating air condition para dito sa ating Expander Cross. Speed automatic na rin tayo guys with overdrive button. So, we also have here the electronic parking brake and brake auto hold. So, ito yung second row natin guys. As you can see sa previous video ko, na-fold and tumble siya. So, ang purpose lang naman ito is para makita nyo ng malinaw kung ano yung mga function na pinapakita ko doon sa aking previous video. So, we still have here the USB Type-A and Type-C port. So guys, fuel tank capacity is 45 liters, and by the way, this is a 1.5 liter gasoline engine. Sa rear, ayan, meron tayong shark fin antenna, meron tayong spoiler, and meron din tayong LED rear combination light. So yung Expander Cross natin is also equipped with the reverse camera. So, there you have it, guys. Ayun, sobrang quick lang naman ng video na pinakita ko sa inyo or yung pag-ikot natin dito sa ating Expander Cross. Since meron naman akong recent upload ng review for the 2025 Expander Cross. So, ang main purpose lang naman ng video na to, guys, is to let you know kung ano-ano ba yung mga pwede nyong ma-avail kapag kumuha kayo sa amin ng 2025 Expander Cross via in-house financing, cash payment, or bank PO. So, for today, guys, i-discuss na natin kung ano ba yung mga inclusions ng aming offer for the 2025 Expander Cross. Simulan natin para sa in-house financing. Ano-ano ba yung mga kasama ng offer namin for in-house financing? Number one, we have 3 years LTO registration, 1 year comprehensive insurance. So yes guys, 1 year lang po yung free insurance natin. So yung succeeding years, may option po kayo kung gusto nyo kumuha dito sa amin through in-house or sa other insurance company. Then, nag-offer din kami ng pre-PMS Plus card, which is free yung first 1,000 up to 20,000 kilometers nyo na labor and oil filter. Aside from that, yung mga basic inclusions or standard inclusions ng unit nyo is tint, floor matting, EWD, basic tools, and so, what about mga exclusive freebies naman, guys? Ano-ano ba yung mga exclusive freebies na pwede nyong makuha kapag kumuha kayo sa akin ng Expander Cross? So guys, when I say exclusive freebies, ibig sabihin, coming from my own pocket talaga, yung ipangbibili ko ng mga exclusive freebies na ibibigay ko para sa inyo. So guys, what are the exclusive freebies na pwede nyong makuha kapag nag-avail kayo sa amin ng Mitsubishi Expander Cross? Number one, we have full HD dashcam, rain visor, car care kit, hood emblem, car cover, door step seals, deep dish matting, Bosch Europa horn, tailgate garnish, door garnish, headlight garnish, umbrella, keychain, at marami pang iba. So yes guys, yung mga nabanggit kong exclusive freebies ay pwede nyong ma-avail kapag kumuha kayo dito sa amin for free. Yes, wala po kayong babayaran, makukuha nyo yung mga freebies na binanggit ko. So if ever na gusto nyong mag-avail dito sa amin sa Mitsubishi Abad Santos, let me know in the comment section below. Pwede nyo po akong tawagan, Christine Salazar Olimba, or pwede nyo i-visit yung aking Facebook account, ayan guys, or yung mga contact numbers ko, indicated dito sa screen, pwede nyo po siyang tawagan, even si Joey RJ Olimba or Joey Boy Palab. So guys, aside sa mga exclusive freebies na binanggit ko, as long as subscriber namin kayo and follower, madami pa kaming mga additional freebies and discount na pwedeng ibigay sa inyo. So take note, kung ayaw mo na ng exclusive freebies, sawang-sawa ka na, pwedeng-pwede natin yan i-apply as discount para sa iyong down payment. So ano pang hinihintay mo if gusto mong mag-avail ng 2025 Expander Cross or other Mitsubishi units? Ang tatawagan mo lang, Christine Salazar Olimba or Joey Boy Palavoy or Mr. Joey RJ Olimba, and we'll be happy to assist you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you on my next video. Bye!